Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We are continuing our quest to build Marvel Zabu. And with that, it means Ikaris is next. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Legends series, Marvel's Ikaris. Okay, and you can see the figure here on the window. And this is part of Build a Figure Marvel Zabu Wave. Okay, so as mentioned in the previous video, we are trying to complete finally our Marvel Zabu after much deliberation. Okay, so we wanted to get only the buff parts, but they seem to be nowhere to be found separately, but comes with the figures. So I decided, what the heck, let's just get them and probably sell off some of the figures. Okay. So that said, on the left side we see Ikarus illustrated here. On the other side, the same illustration. Okay, so the box was destroyed by my son. Or by the heat ray of Ikarus. I don't know which one. And at the back we have here Ikaris, the one of the Eternals. Okay, and his full animation, not full, bigger illustration rather, flying through the cosmos. Okay, and also a brief description which we will zoom in. Oh, sorry, too much. Okay, so the eternal Ikaris possesses powers fueled by cosmic energy and became part of human folklore when he guided Atlantean refugees to safety. Okay, so I always mispronounce it as Ikarus because there's a great story about Ikarus being attracted or getting too close to the sun. I don't know how that's related to the story of Ikaris. Okay, but nonetheless, you can see here Ikaris is 5 out of 6 for the buff series, and he comes with the right rear leg of Zabu. The right, just right rear leg. Okay, so anyway, as this is a Heroclix channel, okay, so I just realized we don't have an Ikaris in modern. Okay, and also realize we don't have an Ikaris in our collection. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of the Eternals. Okay, I usually collect X-Men, so that is a big reason why the gap in the collection. Okay, but nonetheless, I hope we get Ikaris in the future as again a Heroclix figure. Okay, so they gave Cersei the legacy treatment. Okay, but hopefully that would mean possibly legacy as well for Ikaris. Okay, but we're going to look at one Eternal that we do have, and that is the Thanos. Okay, so the evil Eternal. Okay. And you can see Thanos is from the Collector Strobe set. He is the monster in sealed format for the set. Black Order, Eternal, Minions of Thanos, Cosmic, Deity, Future, Past, Ruler keywords. With the Cosmic Team ability, comes in at 300 or 150 points. A couple of trait, Astral Regulator, which is free. Choose a character on your sideline with a Cosmic or Deity keyword and choose a standard power printed on their card. Thanos can use the chosen power until your next turn as if he doesn't have enough amazing powers on his own. And second trait is Rip. When Thanos KOs an opposing character of 30 points or less, score 10 victory points. So, and he's gonna be doing that most of the time if you play 30 points or less. The real name is Thanos from the Infinity Ending #1 comics. Okay, so yeah, it's called Thanos actually without the gauntlet. Okay, so you can see it's a what you see, what you get dial. Okay, hypersonic, 14 attack. That's the highest I've seen in my playing days. 20 invincible and 5 damage without weight. 6 range, 3 targets. Yeah, monster for sealed indeed. Okay, so and even for pulp, you can probably get into pulp with that particular alone and a bunch of cosmic and deity keywords in your sideline. Okay? So just like our previous video, we're not gonna extract the figure because we plan to resell the figure, and we're not gonna destroy the the box as we usually do because we'll keep it as storage option while we're trying to find buyers for the figure. I got this for around, I think, 1,200 pesos. So I'll probably sell off the figure for half the price. Okay, as I said, I only need the rear leg, right leg for Zabu. Okay, I can also give this to my son or my other kids, okay, if they want it. So yeah, okay. So anyway, that's it for this video. So share your thoughts in the comments. Do you like an Ikaris in Marvel Heroclix Modern? And until next time, bye bye.